All. Today I'll be going to sharing with you the concept of quantity of ideas or the quality of ideas is important when you start the suggestion scheme or any idea generation initiative. And let me tell you why I don't believe on the quality of ideas. Yes, you heard right. I don't believe on a quality of ideas. I believe on quantity of ideas, more number of ideas. That is what I believe. The reason behind is that quality is always the result of repetition or reiteration. Let me explain the same concept through the example from the book called Atomic Habit from the James Clear. There was an experiment conducted by Jerry Ullman, who is a professor, and on the very first day of the class, he divided his class into the two groups. One group is called quantity group, and another group is called quality group. Everyone in the left side of the classroom named as a quantity group. They would be graded based on the amount of work they produce. Final day of the class, they has to provide maximum number of photos, irrespective of whether photo is good or wrong or bad. That doesn't matter. They have to provide the number. So the quantity is more important when the individual student will be gonna grade it. Meanwhile, everyone on the right side of the classroom would be noted as a quality group. They would be graded only on their excellence of their work. Means they only need to produce one photo of an expert quality or the best or perfect quality. At the end of the term, both groups submit their photos, and it's surprisingly, the best photos were coming from the quantity group and not the quality group. During the semester, these students busy taking the photos, trying various options, trying with various compositions, lighting, and in this process they did a lot of mistakes and they learned from these mistakes. In this process of making hundreds of photos, they honed their skills, and that's how the best results come from the quantity group. And meanwhile, the quality group keeps speculating on the how I can get a best photo or the perfect photo, and they couldn't get a best photo, and that's the reason. Let suggestions or ideas, let them come into the quantity initially, and over the period of time, you're a workforce employee, they will understand that, and they will come up with the best quality results over the period of time. Good. So I believe that you understand that, and keep watching the videos. I'll be going to share more interesting videos in upcoming days. Thank you.